and our PC equals 23 plus 0.54. So now that we have those, we can use our equation to get our superelevation runoff and our tangent runoff. So we have LR, actually, and that's our superelevation runoff length. LR equals 12 times E over G times our alpha, which is an adjustment factor that we get from the table. I believe it's the AASHTO table is what it is. And for this problem we are not given a factor, so that can go ahead and just be 1. And so we do 12 times E, and E equaled 6%. And our G equaled 0.45, and again that is the G you get from a table. And so here we go, 6%, divide that by 0.45 and times 1, and that equals 160 feet of superelevation runoff, which is the part from the end of tangent to the full superelevation here. Now we do the equation for our tangent runoff. And that equals E NC divided that by ED. This equals, we had a 2% of our cross grade. So we do 2 divided by 6 times 160. Equals 53.333. That repeats. So for this equation, it asked for 3/4 superelevation runoff, and so we can multiply 3/4 times 160 equals 120 feet, and then from our PC to our full superelevation runoff, that equals to 40 feet. So basically what that calculated was from the end of the tangent runoff to our PC elevation, we have for this problem 3/4, and then from our PC to our end of superelevation runoff is 1/4 is what that is. And then our tangent runoff will be LT here at 53 feet, and then our full superelevation runoff will be 160 feet. So how do we use those? So to find the station at the beginning of our superelevation runoff, which is the we're at PC here, so this will all be at the beginning of the curve. And this is station SER at beginning equals 2300.5385 minus 120. That equals 2180.54. Station SER at end 2300.5385 plus 40. That equals 2340.5385. And then our PT, which is the end of the curve, station SER at beginning is 3609.5354 minus 40. That equals 3569.5354. The station SER at end equals 3609.5354 plus 120. That is 3729.5354. Our PC tangent runoff, that equals 2180.54 minus 53.33. That equals 2127.21. Our PT tangent runoff equals 3729.54 plus 53.